In his boldest move yet, opposition leader Mark Golding declared Prime Minister Andrew Holness unfit to continue in his role as Prime Minister of Jamaica. According to Golding, there is a system with the Integrity Commission where at the center of it trying to bring accountability and transparency in our government system. He argues that the people of Jamaica have a lack of trust in their political leaders. So, for the head of government, whereby his statutory filings cannot be verified by the Integrity Commission, that ought to be, to be a disqualifying factor, and the Prime Minister, he argued, should withdraw himself from any future service.
This is from Mr. Golding. It says, is he suggesting that concerns over the Prime Minister's IC filings should disqualify him from putting himself up for re-election?
Absolutely. We have a system with the Integrity Commission at the center of it for trying to bring probity and accountability and transparency into our governance system. All indicators and polls show that the people of Jamaica have a lack of trust and confidence in their political leaders. And so for the head of government of Jamaica to be in a position where his statutory filings cannot be certified by the Integrity Commission, that ought to be a disqualifying factor. He should withdraw himself from any future service in that capacity as Prime Minister going forward. Cannot remain in this untenable situation.
So, what is the IC and statutory filings or statutory declarations? The IC is the Integrity Commission, which is an anti corruption agency. Statutory filings or statutory declarations means all parliamentarians must submit their assets and income to be scrutinized and certified by the Integrity Commission. The publishing of a complete and accurate statutory declarations is a requirement by law for all parliamentarians. Failure to do so could result in potential prosecution. Read more at jamaicalivenews.com.